amongst us like constellations and quiet lines. We chase days we don't control, maps we draw but never hold. Kettle hums a steady tone, like a truth we've always known. Steam dissolves against the air, nothing stays but something's there. Every season leaves a mark, even in the smallest spark. Life is not a straight design, it bends and breaks and rewrites lines. We are more than what we plan, more than things we understand. And let it rise and let it fall, we are learning through it all. In the quiet in between, there's more meaning than it seems. Flowers scattered on the floor, open windows, half-closed doors. We build futures out of now, don't know when and don't know how. Coffee rings on wooden grain, proof that time will leave a stain. Every mark and every scar shows us who we really are. Nothing certain, nothing sure, still we open one more door. Life is not a straight design, it bends and breaks and rewrites lines. We are more than what we plan, more than things we understand. Let it rise and let it fall, we are learning through it all. In the quiet in between, there's more meaning than it seems. Maybe purpose isn't loud, maybe strength is standing ground. Maybe all we're meant to do is stay honest, stay true. Life is not a perfect frame, it's a question, not a name. In an ordinary seams, we become what we have been. There's more meaning than it seems. In the quiet in between. Golden dust and quiet air, morning finds us unaware. Half a dream still in our eyes, half a truth we don't disguise. Kettle breathing soft and low, windows cracked to let it go. Every day begins the same, still it never feels that way. We don't have to run so fast, some things only grow if they last. Take it slow, let it be, life is wider than we see. Every wrong turn, every mile shapes the heart in quiet style. If it hurts, it means we tried. If it breaks, we grow inside. We're not lost, we're just becoming what we didn't know was coming. flour on the wooden board. Simple meals we can afford. Salt and heat and waiting time, patience turning into rhyme. Radio and faded tone, we don't have to feel alone. Every small and steady flame keeps reminding why we came. We don't need to see the end, we just walk and let it bend. Take it slow, let it be. Life is wider than we see. Every wrong turn, every mile shapes the heart in quiet style. If it hurts, it means we tried. If it breaks, we grow inside. We're not lost, we're just becoming what we didn't know was coming. Maybe home is not a place. Maybe time is not a race. Maybe all we ever need is to breathe and plant the seed. Take it slow, let it be. Life is more than what we see. Every fall and every rise opens up another sky. We're not late and we're not wrong. We've been learning all along. Golden dust and quiet air. Morning finds the sun aware. Half a dream still in our eyes, half a truth we don't disguise.